Hey there, car folks. Whether you're a lifelong gearhead, a weekend road tripper, or just someone who loves the freedom of the open road, you've probably noticed the buzz around electric cars lately. It seems like everywhere you look, there's a new headline, a new model, or a new debate about whether now is the right time to make the switch. The big question, is 2026 finally the year to switch to an electric car? It's a decision that's on a lot of minds, and for good reason. The world of cars is changing faster than ever before, and it can feel overwhelming to keep up. We're living through a revolution in automotive technology. The cars rolling off assembly lines today are smarter, cleaner, and more connected than anything we've seen before. From advanced safety features to cutting-edge infotainment systems, the driving experience is evolving right before our eyes. Electric vehicles, EVs, aren't just a trend, they're fundamentally changing how we drive, fuel, and maintain our cars. Gone are the days of oil changes and gas station stops. Now, it's all about plugging in, charging up, and hitting the road with instant torque and near-silent acceleration. Just a few years ago, EVs were rare. They were mostly seen as quirky experiments or niche options for the eco-conscious. Charging stations were few and far between, and range anxiety was a real concern for anyone thinking about making the leap. Now they're everywhere, from city streets to highways, from compact commuters to luxury SUVs. Charging networks are expanding rapidly, and battery technology is improving at a pace that would have seemed impossible just a decade ago. Automakers are investing billions, rolling out electric models for every lifestyle. Whether you need a family hauler, a sporty coupe, or a rugged SUV, there's an EV out there that fits your needs. The choices are growing, and so is the excitement. The question isn't if electric cars are the future, but when that future is right for you. Maybe you're curious about the savings, the environmental impact, or just the thrill of driving something new. Maybe you're worried about charging, range, or resale value. These are all valid questions, and you're not alone in asking them. We'll break down the money, the environment, and the driving experience. We'll look at what it really costs to own an EV, how it stacks up against gas cars, and what it means for your carbon footprint. We'll also talk about the joys and the quirks of living with an electric car day to day. Because at the end of the day, a car should be fun, right? It should make you smile when you hit the accelerator, give you confidence on the road, and fit seamlessly into your life. We'll explore whether today's EVs deliver on that promise, and what you can expect if you decide to make the switch. Do these new EVs deliver on that promise? Let's find out together. We'll take a close look at performance, comfort, and all the little details that make a car more than just a way to get from point A to point B. We'll look at the pros, the cons, and everything in between. From charging at home to road tripping across the country, we'll cover the real-world experiences that matter most to drivers like you. The goal, help you decide if an EV belongs in your garage this year. We want you to feel confident, informed, and maybe even a little bit excited about what's next for your driveway. So, let's get started. Power it on, buckle up, and join us as we explore whether 2026 is the year you go electric. Electric cars are everywhere now. Just a few years ago, spotting an EV on the road was a rare event. Now, it feels like every other car is electric. Whether you're in a bustling city or a quiet suburb, you can't help but notice the silent, sleek vehicles gliding by. It's not just a trend. It's a transformation in how we get around. Every major automaker is in the game. Ford, Chevy, Tesla, Rivian, Lucid, and more. Even brands that once seemed slow to change are now racing to release their own electric models. The competition is fierce, and that means more choices and better features for drivers. The variety is huge. Sedans, SUVs, trucks, there's an EV for everyone. Whether you need a family hauler, a sporty commuter, or a rugged pickup, there's an electric option that fits your lifestyle. Why the surge? Technology is the driving force. Batteries now deliver 300+ miles of range, easing range anxiety. That means you can drive farther on a single charge than ever before, making road trips and long commutes practical for EV owners. Improvements in battery tech have made charging faster and more reliable too. For most people, an EV easily covers daily commutes and weekend trips. You can run errands, pick up the kids, and even head out of town without worrying about running out of power. The convenience is hard to beat, especially as charging networks expand. Gas prices are unpredictable, but charging at home is cheap and convenient. Imagine never having to stop at a gas station again. Just plug in when you get home, and your car is ready to go the next morning. Plus, many utilities offer special rates for overnight charging, making it even more affordable. Plug in overnight, wake up to a full battery, no more gas station stops. It's a simple routine that fits seamlessly into your life, and it's one less thing to worry about during your busy day. The savings add up fast. Lower fuel costs, fewer oil changes, and less maintenance mean you keep more money in your pocket. Over time, the difference can be thousands of dollars compared to a gas-powered car. And let's face it, EVs are cool. They turn heads with their futuristic looks and quiet operation. Driving one feels like you're part of something new and exciting. Sleek designs, futuristic tech, and instant performance. Touchscreen dashboards, advanced driver assistance, and lightning-fast acceleration make every drive feel special. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about enjoying the journey. When your neighbors see you pull in quietly, they get curious. People want to know what it's like to own an EV, and you become the go-to expert on the block. It sparks conversations and even a little envy. The more people buy EVs, the more others want to join in. It's a ripple effect. Friends, family, and coworkers start to consider making the switch when they see how easy and fun it can be. It's a real shift in what people want from a car. People are looking for cleaner, smarter, and more efficient ways to drive. The old rules don't apply anymore. Drivers want something better. The EV wave is here, and it's only getting bigger. As technology keeps improving and more people make the switch, electric vehicles are set to become the new normal on roads everywhere. The future of driving is electric, and it's happening right now. Let's talk money. When it comes to owning a car, the costs can really add up. Fuel, maintenance, repairs, and more. But what if there was a way to keep more of your hard-earned cash in your wallet every month? One of the biggest perks of driving an electric vehicle, or EV, is the potential for huge savings. It's not just about being eco-friendly. EVs can make a real difference to your budget. Think about gas prices for a moment. Filling up a traditional car can easily cost you hundreds of dollars every single month, especially if you have a long commute or drive frequently. And with gas prices always fluctuating, it's hard to predict your monthly expenses. With an EV, you're swapping out those unpredictable gas bills for the much lower, more stable cost of electricity. Charging your car at home is not only convenient, but it's also significantly cheaper than filling up at the pump. Most EV owners charge their vehicles overnight, taking advantage of lower electricity rates. This means you wake up every morning with a full tank, ready to go, and you're paying just a fraction of what you'd spend on gasoline. Over the course of a year, these savings really add up, often amounting to thousands of dollars. And that's just the beginning. Let's talk about maintenance, because that's where EVs really shine. Gasoline engines are complex machines with hundreds of moving parts. They need regular oil changes, new spark plugs, timing belts, exhaust system repairs, and more. Each of these services costs money and takes time out of your day. Electric vehicles, on the other hand, are much simpler under the hood. There's no oil to change, no spark plugs to replace, and no exhaust system to worry about. Fewer moving parts means fewer things that can break down or wear out. For most EV owners, routine maintenance comes down to just a few basics: tires, brakes, and windshield wipers. That's it. No more surprise trips to the mechanic for engine trouble or transmission issues. Plus, thanks to regenerative braking, a feature unique to EVs, your brake pads last much longer than they would in a traditional car. This means even fewer replacements and more money saved over time. All of this adds up to fewer trips to the mechanic, less time spent waiting for repairs, and more money staying in your pocket where it belongs. The savings with an EV are real, tangible, and they add up fast, giving you more financial freedom and peace of mind every time you hit the road.